Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area on Kartika Plaza Steet, Wana Segara Street and Kuta Beach. If you want to know how the condition at the moment in Kuta area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay, now we are in Kuta area. You see at the front, Matahari Square in Kuta. But they close. Actually, in this area is very famous for shopping area because in this area we have art market, shopping mall, and easy access to go to the beach. So that's why before the pandemic corona, in this area always busy. And today I see some shop and some restaurant is open and lots of people go to this area. I love to see that. Okay, now you can see right side and the left side there is actually a shopping mall, but they close. But I'm happy because I see some shop they are open. Okay, from shopping mall area, and then we will explore how the situation at the moment in art market Kuta. You see at the front there is some shops open, but some shop also closed. Oh, there is still a lot of shop closed today. It's very sad. You see the land right side? There is parking for motorbike, but it's empty. Left side, art market Kuta. Okay guys, now we will see how like the condition at the moment in Kuta Beach during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. Kuta Beach, Pantai Kuta. Oh, there is some people there. I'm really happy to see that. Because a few days ago, this beach was closed, but today they open. I'm really happy. Okay, now we turn back to the main street because I will explore Kartika Plaza Street. Okay, you see right side? There is art market, but a lot of shop is closed in this area. Look very quiet, isn't it? Usually in this area before the pandemic corona, that's for sure. Lots of people walk around on this market. But today, it looks empty. Oh, there is some shop open. Yes, love to see that actually. Okay, now that the situation at the moment in art market of Kuta. Okay, now we back to the main street and we will turn right to explore Kartika Plaza Street. Okay, this is a Kartika Plaza Street. Stadium left side. Big seafood restaurant right side, also closed. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. You see the weather today? It's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very blue sky. It is sunny day, very beautiful. But when you see on the street, there is car and motorbike drive around, but on sidewalk still empty. Actually, I'm gonna say like this condition at the moment in this area is better than last month. You see at the front, left side, there is Baba Gum, but still closed. Actually, our government said for the emergency lockdown will be finished until 23 of August. But our government re-extended until on 30 of August. So that's why we are still in emergency lockdown for Bali. You see left side, there is Wadabum Park. How look like at the moment? Yeah, looks still very quiet. And at the right side, there is Discovery Mall. This is the biggest mall in Kuta area because this mall is connecting by the ocean. But still closed. Actually, I gotta say I'm really happy. Even not so many people walk around on the sidewalk, but there is some motorbike and car drive around on the street. Kartika Hotel, right side, is the big hotel with the front ocean. Bali Rani, left side, and see the parking there, it's empty. Actually today, I will also explore Wana Segara Street because I got a customer and they request to explore Wana Segara Street and Rama Beach Resort. You see this area? There is some car and motorbike parking. I'm really happy to see that. And some shop they already started open. Oh, you see the sky at the top. It's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very blue sky. And actually in the right side, there is all the hotel connected by the ocean. So this hotel is ocean view. Okay guys, if you have any requests about other place in Bali, you can text me and I will try to update for you. Just leave the text on comment. Actually, for the Kartika Plaza Street is very famous for the hotels because in this area there is a lot of hotel, but not so much shop. So that's why in this area usually not so much tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Usually there is more car and motorbike drive around in this area. You see in the right side, there is the big hotel connected by the ocean. Oh, you see, there's a tourist on motorbike. Love to see that. It's getting busy now here. I'm really happy to see that actually. And you see in the right side, there is Lipo Mall Plaza. Actually, they are open but still very quiet. And left side, there is the hotels. Okay, you see at the front, the left side, there is the church actually in this area in Kartika Plaza Street. Actually, so far when I drive around in this area and make video, there are not so many taxi transportation in this area. And also on the sidewalk, it looks empty. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street. So what do you think? It is getting busier, isn't it, than last month? Also you can see how the condition in Kartika Plaza Street last month in this channel. Okay guys, from Kartika Plaza Street, we will turn right and we will explore Wana Segara Street. Yeah, we turn right, and now we reach Wana Segara Street. In this area, it looks also busier than last month. Last month was very quiet. Actually, the sham shop is still closed actually, but there is lots of people walk around in this area, and they're driving on motorbike also. You see at the front right side, there's a taxi. They're waiting for the customer. Right side, the big hotel. Actually, before the pandemic corona, I also a driver in Bali, so that's why I really interesting to share about the new situation in Bali. Okay guys, you see the right side? There is Rama Beach Resort. I think there is some under construction, I think. But I cannot going in because this is big hotel. Okay, so this is the Rama Beach Resort in Wana Segara Street. And Holiday Inn Hotel left side. Actually at the front, if I keep straight down, there is the beach, and this beach we call Jimbaran Beach. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Wana Segara Street. What do you think? It's getting busier than last month, isn't it? So that is Jimbaran Beach at the front. Okay guys, as I told you, I have requests from customers and they want to explore Rama Beach Resort. Also as a cafe, and Ayu, she work in the shop, but I think his shop is closed already. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kuta area, on Kartika Plaza Steet, Wana Segara Street, Kuta Art Market, and Kuta Beach. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.